Most people assume their tax bill shrinks in retirement. But what if I told you that without careful planning, you might actually pay more in taxes once you stop working? When you retire, you don't just stop earning a paycheck. And unfortunately, you don't stop paying taxes either. Withdrawals from your 401ks, traditional IRAs, and even pensions are taxed as ordinary income. And if you're not strategic about when and how you withdraw, you could trigger extra taxes on your Social Security benefits, pay higher Medicare premiums, and even creep into higher tax brackets. But here's the opportunity. You can still reduce your taxes legally by using tools like qualified charitable distributions, also known as QCDs for short, Roth conversions, medical deductions, and strategic timing of withdrawals. For example, if you're over 70 and a half and charitably inclined, you can donate directly from your IRA to a charity and lower your taxable income. And if you convert portions of your IRA to a Roth IRA early in retirement, you can pay taxes at today's lower rate instead of tomorrow's potentially higher rates. The key is to have a coordinated strategy, not just to minimize taxes this year, but across your entire retirement. If you want a personalized tax blueprint that helps you keep more of your hard-earned money, schedule a time to chat with us or visit our website. Don't leave your retirement income to chance. Let's plan wisely.